Hey, what's up, guys? Bobcat 325. So, I'm out doing firewood today, and so I wanted to update one of the videos I did. You guys know I do excavation, land clearing, and I got some chainsaws, and I clear land and stuff. And you know, I got the Stihl saws, the MS440, 039, the MS460. And but I like saws. I like the older saws too. It's what my father had, and he had a Mcculloch 1010. Matter of fact, when I was a little kid. But anyways, so I wanted to get an old vintage Mcculloch, like, you know, a popular 1010. They're only 54 cc, but they could, you know, they could actually work a long bar. But anyways, then they had the Promac 1010S, which had 3 more cc, so it was 57 cc. But they're hard to come by. So anyways, I ended up getting a Promac 1010, and kid said it ran, and you know, the whole 9 yards. Just needs probably carb cleaning. Hasn't been running in a while. This and that. So I actually purchased it, and then I got it. And when I opened it up, you know, everything looked good. But I noticed some differences on this than I didn't see on any other 1010. Like I said, the decompression, and then the side access for the carburetor screws. That stuff's only on the 1010S, the newer one. But so I was wondering about that, and then I went on some forums, and the guy said, find out your serial number, and you know, we could know right away. And sure enough, it's I don't know if you can see it, but it's 6061D. And right away the guy was like, that's it. It ended up being, it's a 700. It's a Promac 700. I can't believe it. It's even better than what I got. I guess the kid didn't know, because the air cleaner cap fits the same on the 555, the 700 Promac, and the 1010s, the air cleaner cover here. So he must have broke the air cleaner cover, somebody did, and they just replaced it with a cover that fit it and happened to say 1010 on it. So the kid didn't even know. So this is the 70.5 cc saw. This is the Promac 700. So I guess I got lucky there. So I'm psyched. I got real lucky, because I tried to find a couple of these, and they want like 250, 350 bucks, you know, for an old used one. So yeah. So I cleaned the carb and new fuel line, and yeah, it's even got a 24-inch Mcculloch bar and chain. Yeah, fires right up. Let's see here. Now I gotta put you down. Let's see. Find a spot to put you down first. So there it is. Promac700 Mcculloch. So that's a good find there. So I'll be making more videos with it. Alright, thanks for watching.